what I'm here for. I got you. Watch your fingers.
All right. We are keeping an eye on our 8 live departments, including our citizen ride-along. That's Alexa Dean. Hey, Alexa. Sorry. Sorry. Everyone's complaining that every time I'm saying Alexa, it's setting off their Alexas. So I guess we should do a Hey, Alexa. When is On Patrol Live on? What channel? It's on Reels right now. Taking a break. Coming right back. Live in Bernalillo County again with Deputy Cruz and Deputy Drennan. This is the guy that they just arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence. They now are searching his car.
Yeah, I pulled one, let me grab the other.
The other deputy offered him, the chance to get out, show us that he wasn't intoxicated. He decided he didn't want to do that. Started becoming super uncompliant in the car. He just wanted to call his mom. We told him multiple times, just turn the car off, and we'll get all that figured out. Finally didn't. Asked him to step out of the car. Gets more aggressive. Asked him to turn around after he refuses field sobriety test again. The second we put hands on him, he lunges for his glasses or something like that, and then claims that we broke them, and he just wanted his glasses. But I don't know what his deal is, but I believe he's definitely under the influence. You can smell it. There's a strong odor. Once we got him out of the car and you separate him from the vehicle, it was definitely coming from him. He was taking a lot of big, deep breaths and sighing, like right in our faces, and we could smell it really easy. So I believe this deputy's going to take him in, and we'll stay here. We'll tow the car and see what he's going to do from here.
All right, so the car is being towed there.
Absolutely, and if he had just complied, outcome could have been a little different.
Might have been. All right, want to get in our Wanted segment. You guys have always been so helpful with this. Sean Larkin, what do we have?
OP Nation, tonight police in Hillsborough, North Carolina need your help to track down a man responsible for a brutal assault caught on camera. A customer is exiting this Home Depot when an employee asks for his receipt. Instead, he gives